Hi guys and welcome to Cooperb Motorcycles. We've always been a big fan of the Himalayan, going right back to the first one, the 411. As many of you know, we did a lot of stuff with that bike and we made a lot of our own parts and did a lot of trips and did a lot of stuff to get that bike ready for adventure. Now the 450s here, again, brilliant bike, we absolutely love it. It's a cracking bike straight out of the box and there's already a lot of parts you can get for it. There is one thing, a few people that have struggled with the height, but we've done a little bit of research and development and done some testing, and we've now created a part that can lower your bike by up to 30mm. So that makes it a lot more accessible to people who have looked at the bike and thought perhaps it's a little bit tall for them. So now hopefully this could be the answer to your problems.
Before you start to lower the bike, you need to check the original height at both ends in fixed points to make sure that any reductions in height at the rear are duplicated at the front of the bike. Working with our friends over at Rally Raid, we've come up with a simple solution to lower the bike, and that's to replace the rear linkage. It's constructed of heavy duty steel and it's been fitted with high quality bearings, and it has a strong powder coated finish, so she's ready to roll and will last for a lifetime.
So here we have a bike that's actually on display in our shop. So this is a lovely handy black tubeless. We've fitted the lowering kit to this bike. So if you wanted to come in and have a look at one and have a sit on one, you can do. So the bike's been into the workshop, as you've seen a little bit earlier on in the video, and it's been lowered. So with some careful measurements, we measured the front and the back both before and after lowering to make sure that we drop the front of the bike the same amount that we did the rear. This means the geometry of the bike won't be affected, so the bike comes down at a level height, so the handling isn't affected. So the bike now has a seat height of less than 800mm. This is the standard seat in the low position, so if you wanted to, there's still a low seat option, so you could drop the seat height down even more, just to give you a little bit more room. So another benefit of the bike being lowered is the bike is actually now sitting a little bit more upright on the side stand, making it easier to get on and off. So yeah, this bike is in our shop now on display with this lowering kit fitted. So if you're thinking of a 450, but you're a little bit unsure of the height, come down, you can sit on our demo or any of the other bikes that we've got here, and then you can sit on this bike and compare the seat height and see what you think. The part is also available on our website for you to order, so head on over to our website, get it on order, and yeah, check it out. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Thank you.